Have you ever wondered how long your CPAP machine and supplies will last? Let's dive into the details and answer some common questions. According to the American Sleep Apnea Association, the average lifespan of a CPAP machine is around 3 to 5 years. This can vary depending on usage and maintenance. As for CPAP supplies, the masks and tubing typically need to be replaced every 3 to 6 months. Filters should be changed every 1 to 2 months, and the humidifier chamber every 6 to 12 months. It's important to keep an eye on the condition of your CPAP equipment. Worn or damaged parts can affect the efficacy of your therapy and even put your health at risk. By understanding the lifespan of your CPAP machine and supplies, you can ensure you're getting the most out of your sleep apnea treatment. Keep your equipment in top shape for optimal results. We trust this video met your expectations. Remember, you can contact one of the sleep department's healthcare professionals at Endicare if you have any questions.